Hello guys, welcome back to Forest Kitchen. I hope you're well. Today we are going to make donuts. For that I will need 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I will mix that with 1 tablespoon of cardamom powder, or you can use vanilla essence, you can use any other flavor of your choice. And then I added 1.5 tablespoons of baking powder, and then I will mix that pretty well. I'll whisk that, and then I will set it aside. I will need that later. And then in another bowl I mixed 2 eggs, room temperature please. And then I will add like 3.5 tablespoons of sugar, and then I will whisk that very well. If you have a hand mixer, it will come in handy. So I will whisk that pretty well. Make sure you mix that pretty well. Yeah, it's a very important step. And then, sorry guys, I have lost the footage. In that mixture there is coconut, 3 tablespoons of coconut milk and 3 tablespoons of melted butter. Yeah, I don't know, that footage got lost. So I added 3 tablespoons of coconut milk and 3 tablespoons of butter. And then I will add in my mixture of flour slowly, bit by bit, as I mix. Yeah, so here I'll start kneading by hand slowly, yeah, until you get that type of dough for your donuts. Yeah, it will be like, I mean, the dough doesn't feel like a mahamri dough. Or so then I'll cover and let it rest for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, I'll start rolling and cutting out the donut shapes. Yeah, for this I just used a cup and a bottle top. If you have the donut cutters that they sell, that's good enough too, but I didn't have, so I used a cup and a bottle top. So I start cutting the shapes. Yeah, start cutting your shapes. As you roll your dough, don't make it too thick. Yeah, just size, as you can see. So I'll cut the donut shapes, and then I'll put them in a tray ready to deep fry. Yeah, these donuts are so yummy. They don't taste like the yeast donuts. Yeah, these ones are cake like donuts. They are crumbly, not much crumbly, but they are cake like donuts, in simple words. Yeah, so as you can see, we have remnants of the dough from the shapes. So I will roll that again and cut and repeat the same process. Yeah, repeat the same process. I used a smaller cup this time, yeah, because the dough was not big enough left. So I'll cut the shapes. Yeah, and I'm done. So we will start deep frying. Here I was testing if the oil is hot enough. So I started frying. Please excuse my frying pan. It's small, but I like using it. So I will start frying. And for donuts, I don't like them too brown. Yeah, I just like them medium brown. Yeah, I think that color is more attractive than the dark brown color. Yeah, you see, I'll remove them from the oil. Make sure your heat is at medium. Don't put too much heat. Yeah, and then I'll put the next batch. Continue the same process. Yeah, yes, continue the same process. I like these donuts with tea. Yeah, good snacks for the kids. Yeah, they are so yummy. So I'll continue deep frying, and please, if you've not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and help me grow this channel. Thank you. And share and comment below whatever you think. And we are done. Yeah, so our donuts are ready. They are so yummy. They taste cake like. They don't have too much oil on the inside. Yeah, so thank you for watching, guys. God bless you. Bye.